Alright, what is up guys? Jerry here and Jeremy. We're back with a new video. So, today, first things first. Have you guys watched the new TJ Hunt video? Well, it's not really new, it's like what, 3 vlogs ago?
Yeah.
Well, he did like a challenge type thing where he did
An oil change?
an oil change on his BRZ blindfolded. And he did it under a certain time. So we're gonna try to do it and see if we can beat his time. Now, we didn't bring this off, so we brought the minivan. It does. We need to get back home.
It's cheaper.
Alright. So, the point is, he's gonna be recording me doing it while I'm blindfolded and I can't see anything. And we're gonna try to do the oil change. Let's see how it goes up.
I mean, you're half blind, so.
That's your idea, so. Alright, we got that 5W30. We got a oil pan. We got a funnel. We got the oil filter. And what else?
I gotta get the phone.
Oh. We got the 17mm ratchet with the socket. Well, the socket's 17mm, but then the ratchet. You know what I'm talking about. And yeah, let me get a little table so I know where everything's at while I'm blindfolded. So now I'm just not looking for everything. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can try to do that. He's gonna time me on his phone, so everything should be good. Alright, so we're gonna start this, alright?
I have to hold this. I look like a damn caveman with a stick.
We gonna start, nigga. You're gonna be fucking dead.
Boom, ba, ba, yeah. Boom.
Okay, so we got this. We're gonna put this here with this, right? I don't know what the fuck I just said. Next. Oh, so I got my blindfold, you feel me? We got that napkin with them welding glasses.
New Gucci glasses dropping soon.
The goggles, I mean. This car gonna get on me if you say that. Talk about some glasses.
Yeah,
Talk
goggles,
about
goggles.
I cannot see anything. Like, show them, bro. I cannot see anything. Like, it's closed all the way. In the paper. The fuck? In the paper. You know, I can't see shit. Okay, so we're gonna start. You got your phone?
Oh, yeah, it's right here in my pocket. Let me get it.
Okay.
One more, this fucking piece of fucking turkey leg.
Hold on, wait, real quick. I don't know how the fuck to use it because we just bought it.
Yeah, you leave that out like that. And the oil
This one?
is that way. Where you opened it from, that's where you catch oil. And
Okay.
because you can't send it up because the car's too low for it to be like that.
Okay. Someone to go.
Let me get
Someone
it.
to go.
So what's the time you gotta be? Let me know what time it gotta be.
I don't know yet. I don't know what
I gotta
what
send
time
some
do you
guy.
think? What time do you think I'm gonna like make?
I'll give you a smooth 20 minutes.
You think I'm gonna do this in 20 minutes?
Add me on
You
Snapchat.
got no type of faith, my nigga. You ready?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Add me on Snap. Alright, ready?
This is gonna be hard.
Okay, get your hands ready. Get your hands ready with whatever you're starting.
Okay.
Alright. Ready, set, go. Okay. Legendary
You got the
voice.
flashlight on the camera?
No. Hey, you can't see it, remember?
But I'm saying,
If anything happens, don't worry. I'll tell
where's
you.
the freaking? Can they even see me?
Yeah, they can see you.
Where the fuck is the trap plug? Okay, okay, I found it.
I was gonna tell you that. That's cheating.
Huh?
I was gonna tell you where it's at, but I forgot that's
Oh,
cheating.
shit. Where's the thing yet? Okay.
I don't think the bucket's right.
Alright.
I don't want you getting oil and getting in trouble.
Alright. Oh fuck, I feel something on my head. Okay. Okay. Where's the fucking hole? Did you put the timer on?
Yeah, I put the timer on already.
So where's the freaking?
You're on 1 minute.
Okay. Is it?
Oh lord. You're gonna get fucked.
I think this is right.
No.
I think this is right. Oh shit.
Guys, he's fucking up.
Oh my god. Chill out. Chill out.
No.
No.
No. Oh my god.
No way, it didn't fall, right?
That's a surprise for you.
Oh my god.
Hey, you didn't tell me this challenge comes with surprises.
Dude, is it like falling?
No.
It's good.
Scoot it up. Scoot it down a little bit. I mean, no. Scoot it down. Scoot it down. To the left. To the left. To the left.
To the left.
No. The left. Left.
Nigga, that's the right.
Nigga, that's left.
Left.
No.
Left
fuck.
is that way.
Exactly. Make the. You gotta put the whole. Never mind. Fucking scoot it to the right. Shit. I keep fucking up. My bad.
Okay.
Go down. Keep going down. Go down. Go down a lot. Keep going. 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 Keep going a little bit. There you go.
That's how much it was? Did any of it fall on the floor?
Oh yeah, you bet it did.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Look, that's not even that much though, compared to a couple of times that we got.
Okay. Okay. So let's drip it right.
You gotta be multitasking, exactly.
Let's drip it right. Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
Okay, drunk man.
Chill the fuck out.
Bro, I just struggle carrying this piece of turkey leg.
Does this shit have the plastic?
Yeah.
The fuck? I can't see this shit off.
2 minutes have passed.
No way.
2:45.
Oh. When you busting right?
I like to fall asleep. Shit. Oh, you about kicked me in my nuts.
Shit. Oh, what the fuck? What is this? Okay. I don't know where the oil filter is at.
The mystery continues.
I don't know where the fuck? Okay. Okay. Dude, I'm so fucking lost.
New project coming soon.
Okay, where's the oil drip?
Oil dripping right there.
Right there?
Mm-hmm. I don't know if this counted as cheating, but oh well.
Has to be around here, no?
No. I don't know. You tell me. I've never been underneath your van.
What the fuck? I'm so lost. Ah! Dude, where is it?
Where did you say it was hot last time? We had to pour water on it. Where was it when you poured the water?
I don't remember. The fuck?
Oh my god.
Am I close to it?
I don't know.
Oh, I feel it. Okay. Pásamelo.
I can't pass you nothing. It's right there next to you. Just know, Jerry, when you get home, you're gonna have to take a shower with deep greaser.
Oh, the fuck, this shit's hot. That shit's hot. I can't take that shit off.
Struggles of being weak.
Shut the fuck up.
You want me to go get you a channel lock?
No.
I'm not carrying a turkey leg around no more.
What the fuck? Dude, I need to get on the other side. Oh, what the fuck?
It's all you.
Where's the... Okay, here's the freaking new one. Okay. This shit is harder than I thought. Okay.
Oh, block.
Am I close to it?
Are you?
Oh, I feel it.
Los huevos, cojones.
Wait, is this still dripping, by the way?
I don't know. No, you're good. Damn. It's a lot of cleaning up. Are you allowed to use channel locks?
Huh? Pass me a napkin.
Alright. We begin on our quest, guys.
Pass me a napkin, hurry up! Hurry up!
Here. Will he finish in time? Find out next time on Dragon Ball.
Okay, I got it loose.
And that's what she said. Oh my god. Jerry, please. Okay, you're good. Keep going.
Am I actually good?
Yeah, you're good.
No way.
Yeah.
kind of lost the paper.
Oh,
I don't know where the fuck it went. It's out of my hand.
no, nigga, it's in your hand. It's probably just soaked or something. Guys, buys Gucci belt for $10.
Oh, I feel oil on my hand. I feel oil all over myself.
I will.
Oh, no way. I got that at first try.
New project, guys. The Honda.
I got that
Odyssey.
shit at first try, dude. Dude, it's in.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's taking a while to put it in.
Because it's slippery as fuck. Is this an happen?
Mm-hmm.
God damn. Okay. Okay. Now, what the fuck?
Drain plug.
Where the fuck did I put the drain plug? Oh, okay. So it stopped pouring, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Oh shit! I don't know where I put the freaking ratchet. Oh shit! Thank God.
Smooth 10 minutes at fast.
Where the fuck is the freaking hole?
That's what he said.
Where's the hole?
That's what he said.
Dude, what the fuck?
Should have fingered
Oh.
it more.
I feel it. I feel it. Where's it at? Okay, okay, get up there. Okay, hurry up.
No, Jerry, hurry, Jerry, hurry.
What?
Hurry. Okay, you're touching the hose,
Touching a hole? What the fuck is this?
A hose. Okay, battery, no, don't touch that shit, nigga. You better electrocute yourself. You're on the engine. Let's see the time. 9:10. Yeah, we're struggling. Shit, it slipped out the tripod.
Dude, all I see is fucking flashing lights. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Still good?
Yeah. Hurry up.
Oh, what the fuck?
Dump that shit in.
I just can't feel it. I don't know when it's gonna be full.
Dude, that shit's like. Dude,
Huh?
the thing is huge. You don't gotta worry about it getting full.
Dude, I just did this shit blindfolded. Bro, I'm a fucking genius.
And that's what he thinks.
I'm a fucking G. Oh my god, ain't nobody can tell me nothing. I just did a fucking oil change blindfolded. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, when I put this cap back on, you have to stop, alright?
Alright.
Stop the timer. Fuck, where's the cap at?
You gotta make it good. You gotta make it good. Okay, your time was 10:51.
Let me see. Okay. What the fuck?
Before you check the time, look
What
at all
the
the
fuck?
damage you've done.
What the fuck? Look at that. You know how much cleaning we have to do?
You know how much
Dude.
cleaning you gotta do.
Dude.
Hope you got degreaser. You're gonna need it.
You're fucking bugging, bro.
Depression.
That shit was lit, bro.
Okay, now
I
check
used it
your,
up fucking
check your
oil
time.
change.
Check your time.
Nah, we need to check the dipstick.
Mm-hmm.
We need to check if it's good or not. Freaking.
Oh, my hand's starting to get shaky.
Is it really?
Yeah, I don't know from what.
Let me check this out. Oh my god, guys. I just did this shit blindfolded, bro. We're good. Look, bro. Hasta ahí
Hold
topo.
on, hold on, hold on. Let it.
I don't know if the camera can see.
Hold on. Move your finger. You keep moving. You keep moving.
Bro, right on the spot. Right on the spot. I'm a fucking G. You can't tell me I'm not. I just did this shit blindfolded. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I just did this shit blindfolded, dude.
Okay, I'll give you credit for doing it blindfolded. But not credit for making that mess.
Nigga, what do you want me to do? Not make a mess?
Yeah.
I was blindfolded.
That's a lot of cleaning to do.
Now we gotta clean all this shit up. Help me.
Good luck.
Help me clean all this stuff up.
No.
Okay, guys. So, we're done. We finished doing the oil change, the challenge. And that was my time. 10:51. So, yeah. 10:50. 10 minutes to do an oil change blindfolded, bro.
Not bad.
This nigga jealous. He don't even know how to do no. Nah, I'm messing. But still, that's pretty good. So yeah, I guess this is where we're gonna end up. Yeah, can't even talk. I guess this is where we're gonna end the vlog. And yeah, so don't forget to keep grinding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give a like to this video.
And subscribe.
I already said subscribe, bitch. Yeah, so yeah, don't forget to keep grinding, guys. Peace.
I'm on Snapchat.